The last thing to show and feature are the Vault guides, which also are similar to the Vault rankings. So these are industry guides where you can learn more about the industries that you're a part of. So for the sake of accounting, you click the accounting industry guide, and it will feature some information from Forbes magazine, top firms to work for, a guide to securing accounting jobs, a career guide to accounting. So there's a bunch of different guides that you can also look at depending on your industry, and you can search it in the left-hand side. The other thing is, if for some reason you are unable to find things that you're looking for, feel free to use the search feature as well on the right side and type in whatever it may be. So for example, I searched internships, and now there's a bunch of different types of internships that are relevant to the search. Be sure to utilize Vault because it is free for Brooklyn College students. It is normally paid for, and begin exploring.
Make sure to check out the My Career tab on the BC Navigator app, where you can track your career progress based on the amount of credits you've earned, stay updated on upcoming events from the Magner Center, and watch our videos for insight and advice on your career field.